going to show you a Christmas craft. That is a reindeer. Do you know what is a reindeer? In the far pole lands of North Pole, there lives a funny cut creature called the reindeer. It has got big horns, bright eyes, and do you know it can run very fast. So today I am going to show you how to make your own reindeer at home. For this I have taken these materials. So see children, I have taken a white paper and an orange strip of paper. You can also take a brown strip of paper. Okay, now I am going to just fold this paper like this and stick it on the white sheet using some glue. I will take some Fevicol or glue and apply it over here. And stick the first end like this, and same thing I'll do on the other side. I will just stick it and hold it for a few seconds. Now I will do the same thing using the other strip of orange paper. I will again apply some glue on both the sides like this and fold it and stick it on the paper. Now I have taken one more orange strip of paper, that is broader. I'll do the same thing. I'll just roll it, okay, and stick it using some glue. Now I'll press it for a few seconds. Now I will apply some glue over here and stick this on this strips like this. Isn't it looking so nice? So children, do you remember I told you that the reindeer has got two horns on its head. So now I have taken brown paper cutout to make the horn. I will take some glue again and apply it on its back and stick it on the top of its head. One here and again on the other side over here. These are the horns of the reindeer. Now I'll stick the eyes. So I'll apply some glue at the back and stick its eyes. Again applying some Fevicol at the back and we'll stick it like this. We'll press it hard so that it can stuck properly. Now I am going to stick its nose, a red color circle cutout to make its nose. See children, our reindeer is ready. I hope you all enjoyed to make this craft on the Christmas days.